Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I care for my motorcycle boots, how I give them a good clean, what products I use, how I maintain the leather to make sure it stays nice and soft, because we all know what old leather feels like, and it's not really the best feeling in the world, is it? So yeah, I'll take you through how I do this, how I clean my boots, how I care for them. If that interests you, stick around and I'll catch you after the intro. Right, leather boots. They come in many different sizes, shapes, forms, leather, plastic. These are a pair of Alpine Stars Supertech R's. They're getting on a bit now. I've worn them for quite a lot of miles, to be honest. You can see that they've got a lot of scratches on. Actually had a crash in them once as well, but they came out pretty good from the crash, to be honest. There's a couple of things I want to clean up, which is the dirty blackness here on the plastic. You can see that the Alpine Stars are starting to wear away a little bit here. And also give the leather a little bit of a refresh, as well as this plastic around here. I'm going to show you how I do that, what products I use. So the first product, what you're going to need, an underrated product here, is Sif. Sif is actually, it's for multi-purpose things. Some people use it in the kitchens. There's a picture of an oven on the front, or a gas hob on the front, but if you look down the bottom, you can actually see there's a picture of some shoes. So we're going to use them on the shoes, and it smells pretty good. So that will get the base layer of dirt off. I would use a microfiber cloth, but in this circumstance, I'm going to be using a paper towel because I don't have any microfiber cloths left. They are all covered in chain oil. We're going to need a brush to get some of the grit off. And then to protect it, I should be using this. A good friend of mine runs the Elmer Honey Co. Called Danny. Him and his wife have this company, and they are, yeah, they keep bees, sell honey, beeswax, various things. Check them out. I'll put the links in the description. But this is 100% pure beeswax with linseed oil. It will protect everything. You can see, look at that. Lovely. Smells great. It'll protect the leather really well. You can also use it on your leathers if you wish, and it will also do a cracking job of protecting that. So yeah, check them out if you want to get some of this, but that's what I'll be using. As you know, I keep bees now. It's a thing I do. And yeah, Danny mentored me to help me out keeping the bees. He still does help me out, to be honest, and he's given me this. So I'm going to make a video, throw his name in there because this stuff is great. Okay, so I learned a lesson. Don't use the paper towel. Just use this. So we're going to use this to put in the Sif, work it into the boot, and I'll show you afterwards what it looks like. Sif, it's underrated, I'm telling you. Right, so that's the sifting done. I'm actually very impressed with Sif. I don't know, hopefully you would have seen that little time lapse there, but look at that. That was with one go with a brush. Okay, that was stubborn. That's stubborn stuff as well. So I'm quite impressed that Sif has taken that straight off. Yeah, nice. So the boot's pretty clean now. And just bear in mind it's old. But right, next job, let's whack the beeswax out. Whack the beeswax out? Let's get the beeswax out. So you can either brush this in with the brush, or you can use a microfiber towel or kitchen towel. Kitchen towel sucks, to be honest. But it's working enough for me to do this. Already, this boot is looking so much better. And this will dry, obviously. It won't look as glossy when it's dry, but it's not far off this when it's complete. Beeswax. One of the most amazing creatures in the world are bees, which is one of the reasons why I got into keeping them, because they're pretty fascinating. And this is the sort of stuff that you can get from them. And it's not just the leather that I'm going to do with the wax. I'm going to do everything I can. Even the sort of rubbery parts, they're going to have beeswax on, because it will just create a nice layer, or a layer of protection for the boot. It'll just make it last longer, essentially. Even this plastic bit back here. It smells a bit like tea. I wonder if Danny's put tea in this. Or it's just linseed and beeswax. They look so good already. Obviously you can buy like other stuff. Like, I'm not biased, but this is what I use. You can use whatever you want. You can go out and spend 40 quid on specialist cleaning chemicals if you want. Or you can just use the natural stuff. Natural-ish. Cool. Final step. Give it a wipe down. Get the wax all nicely in. You could probably leave it for a minute or two. And hey presto. One protected, clean, old boot. Really happy with that result actually. Really nice and clean, and that'll do me another season. All the plastics cleaned up quite nice. You know, considering these are like 4 years old. Very happy with that. All the products will be linked down below. I hope you enjoyed watching. Good luck with your boots. Think about buying this, it's good stuff. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.